Okay, continuing part 2. I finally figured out I need to put the phone on airplane mode. Otherwise, when I get a call, it cuts me off on my video. So here's video part 2. August 1st, 2017, 11:30.
Atlanticare Life Center Fitness offers public memberships and hotel guest access.
Okay, now we're near, going past the Ocean Club where I live. Celebrity Corner Deli, nice place for a drink. This is what used to be originally the Golden Nugget, and then the Bally's Grand. It was the Hilton, finally the Atlantic Club, and now it's nothing. I believe there's a restriction that prevents a casino from going in there, but hopefully something will go in there soon, because nobody can afford to pay those taxes without having some kind of income coming in. So we're now at the end of what was the casino district. We're coming up on the most important revitalization in recent times in Atlantic City, which is the Stockton South Jersey Gas Project. This will bring the South Jersey headquarters, in addition to 400 Stockton students right on the boardwalk, with restaurants, new parking garage, and all of the activity that is expected to spur on. And if that doesn't get the former Bally's Grand going, then nothing will. Little old hotels here. The day when that was the most common type of structure you'd see along the Jersey Shore. Little two-story hotels with little pools. Kind of ironic that it started with the big grandiose hotels in the 1800s and boarded into very small hotels, motels, and then of course back to big grandiose hotels again. Everything goes in cycles, circle of life. And here's the Stockton project. We're really going at that fast and furious. Lots of bike riders, all sizes and shapes. Tomorrow I'm going to try to get up early, get an early video, turn the phone off, airplane mode, so we don't get interrupted, and get one nice complete video. Should be a good start now. New records of our time and place. Again, August 1st, 2017, Atlantic City, New Jersey. 10 years from now, I'll say, oh, that's what it was like. Maybe 100 years from now, it'll be even more interesting. God willing, our civilization will survive. Beautiful flowers, aviolas. Okay, now we're heading all the way down. A lot of people forget that Atlantic City extends all the way down this market. They think they're in Ventnor already, when in fact, still very much Atlantic City. Ridgeway Avenue, Annapolis, beautiful. Here's the house that Joe Zarelli, a client of mine, first of his condos. He has approvals to build several of those up in front and many more in the back, the high rise. Hopefully that'll get going. They're very quality construction. And in a few years, there should be condos there. Morning. Coming down here. It's like they're redoing the pool area. Delancey Place. These days I'll learn all these roads, streets, some of them, but not all of them. Columbia, Bartram. Interestingly, for those who are complaining about the standing water in Margate, there's a lot of standing water here too. It's the nature of the dunes. The problem is when everything's so wet, you don't get the water soaking in and or evaporating as quickly. But for those in Margate, you can come up here and see, it's not the only problem. The sitting water after a heavy storm. The percolation takes longer, but it'll seep into the ground fast enough. I gather in 2 days it'll be gone. And here we come to Ventnor. That'll be the end of Atlantic City. Ventnor established in 1903. So I didn't know that, I do now. Vassar Square condominiums, nice building, Ventnor. Very well maintained. Statuary of that house. Hello. Still riding through Ventnor on the boardwalk. Much narrower in Ventnor. But much less commercial development, hence much less of a crowd. The Regency Towers condominiums, 5200 Boardwalk. There's some new construction from $6.99 a piece. Not the most attractive, but great place to beach. Victoria Avenue, Breakers. My client was originally going to call his project the Breakers, but obviously there already is one. Morning. This is Captain Bill Fish Halvarth Way. Ventnor City. Children's Park. Kids down, something on their bikes. Located on Oxford Avenue. Pool looks good enough for swimming. Beautiful in there. Modern architecture. Contemporary. The fishing pier. Derby Avenue here. It shows you the boardwalk is very strong. Even this thin section can support vehicles. Winston Avenue, beautiful homes here. The further you go down, the nicer they get. Of course, anything beach block is equivalent of a McMansion. The price to match, although prices are pretty good right now. Great time to buy. Have you dreamed of that oceanfront property? Something going on at the park. Over there, they got a bunch of balloon rides. What do you call those? Blow-up rides. Bounce houses. New Haven Avenue. There's Evelyn. Avenue.